Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a fruit slicing ASMR video in Canva. So first you're going to go to ChatGPT. If you don't have it, go to GPTs first and search up ASMR, and you're going to use this one here. This one, make ASMR images and prompts. You're then going to either type the fruit and color you want, or you can just use the prompts that they have here. So for instance, a banana, color yellow. I'm just going to then copy the prompt, go to Canva, and I'm just going to paste the prompt here. Select the create a video clip. You can also adjust the aspect ratio and the duration and the style. Let's do cinematic. And then framing, I guess let's do like a medium shot. Lighting, let's do a golden hour and see what that looks like. I'm just going to select submit here, and I'm just going to wait for it to generate. And this is what the video should look like at the end. You do need pro feature for this though, but yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, oh, here's the audio a little bit. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!